Sweetie, I wanted to tell you something. I know over the years I haven't been the best boyfriend. Um, if anything, I've been a really toxic boyfriend. And I don't know how you put up with me. You put up a lot throughout the years. And after doing some self-reflecting, I realized how toxic I am, you know. And I wanted to tell you that I'm sorry. I guess one of the most toxic thing that I probably have done in a relationship was to separate you from my family. I mean, I know it's not the right thing, but I felt like, I felt like that was the best move for me because I knew that your parents wouldn't approve of me and your family wouldn't approve of me and they wouldn't approve about our relationship together. And I didn't want them to influence you. I didn't want the outside influencing our relationship. I didn't want anyone to influence our relationship. So I did. I did what I thought was right. I separated you from your family for us. For our love, and I was afraid of losing you. That's why I did that. And I know it's not the right thing. It's not. And I know I may be wrong, but I couldn't risk losing you. I couldn't afford losing you. I didn't want to lose you. So I did what I did too. I did what I did to keep you in. Yeah. And I'm sorry for isolating you from your friends. I did it for a reason because I knew what your friends were gonna say about me, I knew that they were gonna tell you that you can do better. That I'm not treating you right. That you can find someone more handsome, Just stuff like that, and I didn't want you to go out and find someone new. I didn't want you to go out and find someone better. So I isolated you from your friends and everyone. I mean, I thought that if I was the only one, I would be the only option. And that you would never leave because I would be your only option, and I didn't want to lose you to anyone. I know I'm toxic. I know I'm not the best man, but I'm trying and I'm changing. I love you so much, and I guess I was just afraid of losing you. That's why I did what I did. I know it's not right. It's not, but I'm sorry, and I did what I did for us. And I want to let you know right now that I'm a changed man. That I'm gonna treat you better. Okay? I am. I'm not gonna be as toxic, and I'll be nicer, and I'm not gonna manipulate you anymore. Okay? You're my little princess, and I love you so much. You know, you're my everything. And I care about you so much. And I would do anything for you. Absolutely anything for my little princess, okay? Okay. No, sure, sweetie, you can ask me anything, okay? Oh, sweetheart. No, you can't leave. You know how hard it was to kidnap you, build this cage, keep you secret? It was very, very, very hard, and I'm not gonna just let you leave, okay? You know I love you very, very much, right? I do, I love you so much. You know, it's only been a month that you have been here, trapped in my basement. But trust me, over time, you will love me. I'll make sure of it. I'll do everything I can for you to love me. 'Cause you're my baby, and I'll always take care of you. You know that, right? So just stay here. You're gonna stay here until you love me. You understand, right? Yes, you do. No, sweetie, I'm not crazy. How many times do I have to tell you I'm not a crazy person? Would a crazy person leave you down here in the basement and build this beautiful cage for you, just for you to live in so you can be with me 24 hours? No, crazy person would never do that. So, I'm not crazy. I may be crazy in love with you, but I'm not a crazy person. No, and I know deep inside. I know deep inside you're in love with me too. If anything, you might be crazy in love with me. Do you understand? We are gonna be crazy in love with each other. And I know you understand that, sweetie. I know. You're so cute. You're so cute. We're gonna be together forever. And I just wanted you to know that you are never gonna leave. You're gonna be with me forever. You'll be happy here with me, trust me. I love you so much. And I know that you love me. You just don't know that you love me yet. You just don't know. You're gonna be so happy with me, I promise. Down here in this basement, in this cage, I'll make the perfect environment for us. You'll love me. Don't be sad. Don't be sad. Come on. As soon as you love me, you'll be happy, I promise. Don't be sad. You don't understand how much I love you. If you love me just as much as I love you, you'll be the happiest girl in the world. Trust me. You love me. You just don't know it yet. You really don't. Just open your heart to me and you'll be so, so happy. There's so much activities that we can do down here. In the basement. In your cage. We can play board games like Monopoly or Jenga. Yeah. We can sit and cuddle and watch some movies. You'll love it with me. You'll love to do everything with me. And I promise. I can buy you anything you want. Just let me know. I'll go out and get it for you. I can buy you the whole world. We're gonna have so much fun together. Here in this basement. You'll enjoy it. You will enjoy every single minute. I promise. I love you so much. You're my everything. No, sweetie, you can't leave. I will never let you go. You'll never see your friends or family. You're just gonna be with me now on. Don't worry. I'll be your friend. I'll be your lover. You will not go. I love you too much to ever let you go. I don't think you understand how precious you are to me. And I don't think you understand how much I love my precious, precious girl. You wanna leave the cage? No, sweetie, not right now. I gotta trust you first, okay? Once I trust you, then you can leave the cage. I can only trust you when you love me as much as I love you. Once I know that you love me as much as I love you, then I know you're ready to leave the cage and you can walk around the basement. Do you understand? Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I know you love me, you just don't know it yet. Just give it some time, okay, sweetie? Give it some time and maybe one day I'll let you walk around the basement, okay? Okay? I love you so much, princess, you know. You know you're my everything. Oh, don't be sad, sweetie. Come here. Come cuddle with me. Come on. Come cuddle with me right now. I'm not gonna ask again. Come cuddle with me right now. Good, good. Isn't that nice? Yeah?